तापसी पन्नू आजा। Next I'll call this man who's been my friend for so long. I don't know उसका स्विच कब पलटा, वो किधर कैसे कैसा फिल्म बना के एकदम 3 साल पहले उसका स्विच पलटा when I was shooting मुक्काबाज and मुल्क had released and I was like यार अनुभव ने फिल्म बनाई पता नहीं क्या कैसे 2 हफ्ते लगे मुझे जाके देखने में and after that I'm like I want to be अनुभव next अनुभव सिन्हा please। अबिल गए तो ऐसे बोल के लगा कि इसमें बात है शायद कुछ, फिर वो रुक गई बात। तापसी वैसे स्मार्ट है, गुड इन्वेस्टर, तो उसने बोला ये पिक्चर अगर बनेगी तो मैं करूंगी। उसके बाद रह गया थॉट दिमाग में, फिर वो बीच में लाइक हाउ इट हैपेंस थोड़ा थोड़ा पनपता रहा till it reached a point where one felt like कि इसको लिखते हैं। फिर मृण्मयी मिली। मृण्मयी I had known she was third AD on वो continuity supervisor on गुलाब गैंग which I produced। तो सागर ने मुझे, सागर the EP of the film, he told me कि मृण्मयी is writing, तो मैं मिला इससे और फिर वहाँ से हम लोगों ने ऐसा कुछ लिखना शुरू किया। Then I was going to shoot Article 15 और ये ना तो हम लोगों ने कुछ कई दिन बिताए आपस में बात करके कि क्या करना है, क्या बनानी है, क्या कहना है। फिर मैं चला गया शूटिंग करने। तो ये हर वीक में कुछ लिखती थी ऐसी, नॉट स्क्रिप्ट लिखती थी। फिर वो मुझे जो हमारा ब्रेक होता था वीकली उसकी पिछली रात भेज देती थी। तो ब्रेक वाले दिन मैं पढ़ता था, फिर उस दिन उससे 1 घंटे बात करता था। सो एवरी ब्रेक डे दिस हैपेंड। देन आई केम बैक, देन आई गॉट बिजी अगेन एंड देन वी स्पोक मोर एंड देन वन डे शी गॉट वेरी एंग्री एंड शी वेंट एंड wrote like 130 odd pages and so that this was a script, this was the first draft and then the office read it and most of them loved it, some said कि ये पिक्चर क्यों बनानी है, रॉन्ग है, मतलब ऐसे इतना भी बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते अगर प्यार में तो बेकार है, फिर तो शादी थी नहीं, फिर तो प्यार था ही नहीं। तो फिर मैं और मृण्मयी बैठे कि इसको कितना एड्रेस करना है कि नहीं करना है, थोड़ा हमने किया भी। एंड देन आफ्टर अ पॉइंट मैं और मृण्मयी डिफरेंट पेज पे चले गए। आई वांटेड द गाय टू बी अ गुड गाय और तापसी ऐसे मृण्मयी ऐसे गंदे गंदे मुंह बनाती है जब उसको आइडिया पसंद नहीं आता। तो हाँ, मैंने पूरा मोन्टाज बनाया इसका, फोटो शूट किया इसके शूटिंग पे, तो ये गंदे गंदे मुंह बनाती है। तो एक दिन मैंने बोला तू क्या करेगी, तेरा हस्बैंड तेरे को मारेगा तो तू क्या माफ कर देगी? तो बोली हाँ कर दूंगी। That got me really alarmed। तो मैंने पूछा कि तो इसका मतलब जो कर रही है ये गलत कर रही है? तो उसने कहा नहीं। So that becomes a scene in the film between Amrita and Nedra and so yeah, finally we found that balance, that how good should Vikram be or not, and then slowly it became a film until one day we were in Goa. We had gone to Goa to write. I was feeling rich. So we went to Goa to write and something happened. I remember I was lying down in my bed and she was sitting in the sofa and we were jamming and we were talking and suddenly I picked up her laptop and I ended up writing 6 pages or 5 or the opening credits. So 6, 7, 8 pages, whatever. So I said, read it. Now I am waiting that she'll make a dirty face. So she reads it. Even while she's reading it, she's making a dirty face. And then she read it and she said, it's very nice.
Excuse me.
With that bad face. It's very nice. It's very nice. So that actually gave birth to the multiple. I did not know that it was going to be a multiple track film. Until that day, we were doing a film about these 2 characters. That day, just the opening credits, the way you see them, those characters came into prominence. They existed. They came into prominence, and that day it became a multiple track film. Yeah, that's the journey. Right. इसमें से जो भी झूठ बोला बता दे.
Ideas. So this one really hit home, and even after about, so he told me, and I said I'll think about it, and then he got really busy with article. But even about a month later, I couldn't stop thinking about it's such a simple idea. Why did I not think it first? So a long time went in feeling really, really jealous about it. But after I overcame the jealousy, I realized now this is going to be really tough to crack because it is a simple point. It is something all of us have thought about. It is something a lot of us have experienced. So how are we going to make a 2-hour-long film about this one incident? That's how the process began for me. And like he correctly said, it was initially just Amrita and Vikram's narrative. And we always discussed that there should be other women, there should be their stories, but it hadn't come across as an ensemble until that point. And when he cracked the opening credits, I thought that was a really one stroke of brilliance actually, because that kind of led us into an ensemble while maintaining the spine of Amrita's narrative. And I think that...
But we were also very worried for some time, remember? For a long time. कि वो, हाँ, अमृता को थप्पड़ पड़ा, and then you cut to the father, the mother, then you cut to the bai, then you cut to Netra, and then you come back. So we were thinking that people just might get irritated. ना भाई उसको थप्पड़ पड़ा है, I want to be with her. But somehow it worked out. I don't know how.
Yeah, even in fact at the edit also we had a lot of argument. Okay, you know, why are we cutting away to somebody else when we are in the thick of it? But I mean that was very important to make sure that the thappad remains a catalyst and doesn't become the whole film. So I think that was something really brilliant that he cracked. So yeah.
Yeah, there's something that I felt, I don't know, there's like, I remember before you started this film, we were talking about world cinema, and we were talking about Farhadi, and we were talking about so much, and there's so many traps one can fall into, right? This film doesn't have any of this cleverness.
So I must tell you that when I was thinking of starting to shoot this film, so I called Kashyap and I said, Kashyap knew the basic idea of the film. So I said, suggest me some films that are in the world, which I know mostly are Iranian. But then he sent me like 15 names, some Turkish, some Iranian.
Yeah, but I'm thinking none of that clever, I'm thinking they're traps, as a filmmaker. The magic of this film is, for me, this is my favorite Anubhav Sinha film. Period. So, I think this film does not fall into any of those traps. It does not become clever at any given time. It's very easy. This film could have gone into the courtroom and could have become The Get. This film could have gone into an investigation, could have gone into that whole Farhadi. It did not go anywhere. It stayed rooted, it stayed Indian. It did not become clever. It got built around one basic, very simple, rational argument that whole lot of filmmakers kind of forget. We become very clever, when we are writing. We know exactly how to make a very interesting scene and put out a very interesting argument and attract people. This film doesn't go any of those places. It just doesn't go. The most surprising thing was that sequence, the two sequences, because for me this film has two endings. One was the sequence between her and the mother-in-law, and one was the sequence between her and the husband. Right? Those things, those two scenes for me were like, her and mother-in-law scene came out of nowhere. It just came out of nowhere. And even when that scene was going on, I did not think this was the climax of the film, in a way. And then there was the scene in the court, outside the court. I'm saying, how did you save yourselves from falling into those traps?
I don't think we ever knew this, no?
I think we almost fell into those traps in the beginning when we viewed all these Farhadi movies and all. Then we almost went in for a courtroom drama, and then we made then we made a conscious decision that if it becomes about courtroom, it doesn't remain about relationship anymore. And after that decision,
correct, you're right.
we got the flow of we really did go into the whole courtroom drama, went into a lot of research, because then it became a divorce film. It did not remain about that incidents and about those dynamics. So yes, we almost did fall into those.
Pregnancy was a big point of discussion though.
I think not just pregnancy, there many times in the film you feel like, when say for example when she finds out she's pregnant, she's gone back to the husband, she's trying to tell him, and the way Vikram reacts to it, and he's like, "Tu smile kyun nahi kar rahi hai? Aisa kyun nahi ho raha hai?" And I'm like, what are you trying to do as a filmmaker? I'm saying suddenly you make this woman stand up for herself, and then again you make me look at her slightly differently, but she doesn't lose her ground, and you're not making it obvious. It's just so subtle. And again, you go back there. So you almost built it up that almost halfway through the film, I start feeling, isn't she being unreasonable? And then you slap me on my face and you shame me as a viewer.
This is a chance that I was taking all through the film, even through the writing. That's when Mrunmayee and I would fight a lot of times. This was a chance. This is a chance that we took that he will, I was sometimes within a scene, I was making him do some really nice things. So like the first morning when he comes to not apologize, so I built it up in a manner that it feels like now today he'll say sorry and then let's see what she says. But the man goes and says, लोग क्या सोच रहे होंगे मेरे बारे में? And you hate him. कि तेरे बारे में उसकी बात कर. So I tried to do this too many times in the film, and I'm so happy that none of that is irritating.
Okay, I'll move from here and I'll come to Mr. Pannu. हमारा इस फिल्म में तो हमारे घुंघराले वाल भी नहीं है.
I swear.
So, मतलब, what made this whole idea resonate with you? Let's go there.
I've been saying this all throughout promotion, तो मैं सपने में भी बोल सकती हूँ. 3 out of 5 women go through it. Recently got to know 80% of women go through it. Reported, unreported मिला के. धक्के से लेके थप्पड़ से लेके full on मारपीट तक. तो अगर मैंने अपने घर में नहीं तो मेरे दोस्त के साथ हो रहा है या मेरे पड़ोसी के साथ तो हो ही रहा है. तो मुझे ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाना पड़ा इससे अफेक्ट होने के लिए या इन्फ्लुएंस होने के लिए. So it was as easily visible around as possible. So I felt like कि हम एड्रेस तो करते हैं काफ़ी फिल्मों में ये वाली चीज़ बड़ी सब लेयर में होती है, बट जो सामने हेड ऑन कोई डील नहीं कर रहा था. So when sir told me this idea, I had to jump on it, and I'm very good at मैं रुमाल की जगह खुद ही बैठ जाती हूँ पूरे आइडिया पे. So I did that कि मैं ही करूँगी ये, क्योंकि I had this thing in my head. कभी जो बाकी पिक्चर आती है जो मेरी मुद्दों वाली होती है मैंने कभी सोची नहीं थी मेरे पास आएंगी, बट हाँ ये चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में काफ़ी सालों से थी. जिस दिन इतनी कैपेबिलिटी होगी कि एज एन एक्टर आई कैन लीड अ फिल्म, it would have been on this issue, and it so happened luckily it was him who came up with the idea, and it is he as a writer, because I've worked with him before in Mulk. I know the way he writes. I'm a huge fan of his dialogue, so I knew that this is in perfect hands. So it couldn't have been better कि ये मुद्दा and मेरा और ये मुद्दा दोनों हम इनके हाथ में थे. It couldn't have been better. So yeah, I had to do it. There was no two way. I would have fought with him if he would have done it with someone else.
But you didn't argue with him.
I argued a lot.
You are very difficult to
No,
work
I'm very difficult to work with.
with. Painful.
I'm extremely painful. I ask a lot of questions. That's why. हाँ तो वो अलग सर वो अलग किसी दिन डिस्कस करेंगे. आज मेरा मूड मत खराब करो आप. Yeah, but I do ask a lot of questions. Sorry, sir.
So, dear. I'm saying, what resonated with you when you came onto the film?
What is there not to resonate?
Did he tell you the whole script? Because he did not have the whole script before the shoot.
No, I read the whole script before we went to shoot. Huh. You
But
sent me
was it
the
the same
script
script
7
that was
days
shot?
before. 7 days before I had to arrive on set, I got my full script, and that's the film you've made. I see some tweaks here and there which are beautiful. आज मैंने पहली बार देखी फिल्म, तो प्लीज थोड़ी सी तारीफ कर लेने दीजिए डायरेक्टर साहब की. क्या फिल्म बनाई है बॉस. But this is actually answering the question as well. ये बात खत्म करने दो बॉस, 1 मिनट.
अगर तुम 10 और कैश और थप्पड़ के बीच में चूज करना क्या चूज करोगे?
क्यों
10 कैश थप्पड़.
मुझे 10 थप्पड़ और दे दो. और उन 10 थप्पड़ों में मुझे कुर्सी बना दो, हवा बना दो, पंखा बना दो, फर्श बना दो. मैं हाजिर हो जाऊंगी आपके लिए. जान हाजिर है. But this is exactly what I felt the first day I went into his office, and हमारी जो कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर साहिबा हैं नंदिनी श्रीकांत, उन्होंने मुझे एक बहुत हेजिटेंट फोन कॉल किया कि दिया ये फिल्म बहुत अच्छी है, और लेकिन ये जो पार्ट है ना, ये मुझे पता नहीं तुम करोगी या नहीं, लेकिन मुझे इंस्टिंक्टिवली एज अ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर ऐसे लग रहा है कि तुम ये करोगी. I said, फिल्म क्या है? शी सेड गो मीट अनुभव। तो मैं आ गई आपके ऑफिस आपसे मिलने। इन्होंने मुझे सिर्फ 1 लाइन सुनाई, मैं फिदा हो गई। मैंने कहा कि ये तो कहानी बन रही है, ये इतनी बड़ी बात है, आप बना रहे हो, अच्छी बनेगी, क्योंकि अभी थोड़ा सा यकीन बढ़ गया है आप में।
ऐसा 10 में नहीं था।
नहीं टेक्निक नो बट आई नो बट मुल्क एंड आर्टिकल 15 की मैं इतनी बड़ी फैन हूँ, और जब इस कहानी का मुद्दा और इसकी जो बेसिक थीमेटिक लाइन थी वो सुनी, आई वॉज लाइक आई हैव टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस स्टोरी। इट डजंट मैटर whether I'm playing a mother of a 12-year-old or a 13-year-old, nothing matters. What matters is the fact that this story is being told.
So,
And I stand by that. And I will, and I'm so proud that Thappad is a part of my filmography. Thank you, Anu.
so much pressure. How will you talk
I
this?
love you too.
How will you
I
talk
love
this?
you more right now.
तन्वी जी, आप कैसे ऐसे विलेनस, सेमी विलेनस मदर-इन-लॉ, सेमी विलेनस मतलब बाद में अपने आप को रिडीम कर लेती है? अरे मैं ऐसे पूछ रहा
पूरा
हूँ।
बोल चुको ना। हाँ, सेमी विलेनस मदर इन लॉ क्या?
मतलब आप बाद में रिडीम करती हैं, काफी एंड में रिडीम करती हैं अपने आप को।
अच्छा, मैं आप लोगों को
As an
बता
actor,
दूं,
आपको ये रोल, आपको क्यों करना था ये रोल? ये तो ensemble ऐसे कलेक्ट कर लेते हैं सब,
हाँ,
सारे इधर-उधर से सब कोई अच्छा कलेक्शन करते हैं।
और मैं आप लोगों को बता दूं कि मैं जब अनुभव जी से मिलने गई थी, तो सिर्फ सेमी विलेनस ही था मेरे पास, वो रिडीमिंग फैक्टर था ही नहीं। उसके बावजूद
Faith.
मुझे जरा डर था, ऐसे सर ये ग्राफ कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा ना बाद में, पर मैं फिल्म तो कर रही हूँ। Even if I have, and I'm really happy to say today, it was one of the wisest decisions of my life. Even if it was a passing shot in this film, I wanted to be part of this film. That's for sure. तो जब मैं अनुभव जी से मिली, मैंने कहा वो जो भी आप सुना रहे हैं, मैं तो ये फिल्म कर रही हूँ, फिर आप देखना क्या करना है मेरे साथ फिल्म में. So he redeemed me in the end.
Literally, it's an incredible ensemble. Yeah.
The orange popsicle.
Yeah. I was
That,
just coming to that.
हाँ, तो
What's the story behind the orange
I
popsicle?
take back all the other metaphors that I used. तो मुझे पंखा फर्श ये सब नहीं बनना है. मुझे आप अपनी हर फिल्म में वो ऑरेंज पॉप्सिकल बना दीजिए.
नहीं, बट मैं ऑरेंज पॉप्सिकल पे आना चाहता हूँ. ऑरेंज पॉप्सिकल क्या था वो? मतलब जो हाँ, मतलब वो ऑरेंज पॉप्सिकल क्या था वो? मतलब ये मुझे लगता है कभी-कभी ऑरेंज पॉप्सिकल अनुभव की फैंटेसी है.
I
वो
didn't get to
हाथ
eat
में
it.
भगवा लेके खाना चाहते हैं.
I didn't